Hey folks, see Rachana Ranade here and I welcome you all to, I'm sure you have guessed it by now, another shoot and release video. So pinned comment is what you have to check, right? Everyone knows that now. So why am I making this video today? A reason is very simple. Today everyone was really excited to see how the candle was formed today. But yesterday, I'm sure everyone might have definitely panicked and panicked for a reason. Okay. So what we are going to do is first we'll try and understand how did yesterday's candle look like? How did today's candle look like? And are there any specific importances that we have to give in these two candles? Okay. Plus we are going to understand that upcoming 2-3 days are going to be really important, and why, and for that the answer is what we are going to reveal in the coming parts of the video. So keep on watching the video till the end. First what we will do is first we'll go on to trading view. Okay, those who have been watching my Thursday live streams, everyone knows that in my previous Thursday live stream I had very clearly mentioned that the immediate support zone is from 24,750 to 25,000. Okay, in fact I had asked people to note this level down also, and feels very good that first 25,000 was honored, then 24,750 has also been honored. What happened yesterday was in the intraday it did break the support level. So here you can see this was a support, it did break, but on a closing basis it has closed above this. Okay, so at least closing after it happened above the immediate previous swing low, people are like, ha, at least the previous swing low is honored as of now. Okay, now today we saw a nice green candle where Nifty moved up by how much? By almost 200 plus something points, 217 points. Okay, now what could be the reason why we saw an up move today? There could be 2-3 reasons. Number one, everyone knows about the election sentiment today, and that was the reason why maybe this green candle could have come in. Second thing is one more possibility, that we are anyways close to the support level, so ideally Nifty could have taken one more support here today. And third reason again is one more very basic thing, that anyways market was falling like almost 6 days in a row. Somewhere there had to be a halt, may not be stop, but at least a halt, and that is what we saw today. Okay, now when people saw this green candle, I again got some messages and people are asking, now is this it? Is the bottom, I mean, is this the bottoming out of the market, or still the pain is left, or what? People were confused a little bit. So I thought I should make a video explaining the whole action that has happened. Okay, now what we'll first do is that we'll first try and understand that these two candles are very important. Why? This is forming an inside bar, and if you are not sure what an inside bar is, we have already made these videos, one in English and one in Marathi as well. So please watch these videos so that you understand the importance of this inside bar. But I'll go one step ahead and I'll first tell you that if you have done my course on technical analysis, I've very clearly told that whenever it's an event day, ideally we should give a little bit less importance to those candles based on technical analysis, because emotions can overpower, and that is the reason why candle can actually go haywire, right? Today, was there an event? Yes, I can say election was a 2 states election, I agree, but in both states a majority was formed. It was not a hung government, so that is why there will be some sentiment involved here. So I would want to ignore this. Yesterday war scenario, actually people thought that would it get escalated to the next level, and that is the reason why yesterday also there was a big question mark in the market. So if I were to just cut out these two candles, then you will see here that clearly the uptrend is intact. You can see here higher high, low, higher high, and still the low is not broken. Even if I cancel this out and if I say that okay, let me just go back. So even if this is done, we are still in an upward trend. Okay, first things clear. Now we'll understand how was the uptrend first established, and for that if you have a look at this, just give me a second. Okay, this seems to be some problem, no worries. I'll just quickly draw this. I'm just going to draw this roughly. Okay, so if I were to draw this parallel channel, you can see here, I'll just extend this. Okay, I'll just extend this as well. Fair enough. Now if you see here, it was clearly in an upward trend, and this is where the channel was broken and it slid further. Okay, so now the big question is that, let me again switch on the magnet. If this is like the mother candle that we are referring to, J. Okay, question is what happens tomorrow? Tomorrow are we closing inside this range, or tomorrow we get a candle which breaks out from here? If it breaks on the upward side, then ideally the trend resumes, which is an upward trend, it will stay intact. Okay, because as I mentioned, anyways, is the uptrend still intact? Answer is yes. Even this parallel channel is broken, still we have not broken the previous swing low convincingly. So we are still in an uptrend. Okay, it's a pullback, yes it is, but still we are in an uptrend. Okay, now what we have to check is, are we able to close above this? If yes, fantastic. Ideally we should be able to go in the upward direction. What could be a possible stop for it or possible halt for it? Again, for that, let me just draw the levels here, 1 and 2. This could be a choke zone for Nifty, which is 25,639 to 25,739. Kya baat hai? It's a 100-point gap, 25,639 to 25,739. This could be the next choke zone, but from here 25,138 to 25,600. So this can lead to a 500 points rally also. Could something really happen tomorrow? I doubt. But day after tomorrow, we have Thursday weekly expiry. Okay, so we can see some, maybe if shorts have been initiated, there could be a short covering which may break out the level from this inside bar ka zone. Even on the Friday, we have a weekly close. So tomorrow, I'm not sure what will happen, but day after tomorrow is important, and the day after that. So Thursday, Friday closing is really important if you are able to convincingly close above that, because it will be like a candle plus a confirmation candle. And if that happens, then ideally the doors will be open till this level of 25,600, 700. Now the big question, what if it breaks below this? Okay, then the immediate previous swing low is somewhere here. I'll just draw this line. Okay, this is the immediate previous swing low, and here I can say that overall selling that had happened, it halted here, and from here you can see a fresh buying was initiated. Okay, from this level also. So in that case, my next levels on the downward side would be 24,200, and on the lower side 20, it will be marked here actually, 23,893, so 23,900. 23,900 to 24,200 could be the lower side zones. Upward side zones also I have mentioned. So again, what is important? Important is this Thursday's closing and this Friday's closing also. This will not only give us the direction, the confirmation candle will tell us whether we continue the upward trend or whether if this breaks, we will go in a sideways trend. So don't predict anything based on today's candle. Wait for what happens. And if you want to understand from me as to how to interpret the Thursday's candle, for that, I hope everyone knows, like I mentioned in the beginning, every Thursday 9:30 p.m. we do have a live stream. So do come and join in live so that I can tell you about what happens on Thursday. I hope you enjoyed this short and sweet technical analysis. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Jai Hind and bye-bye.